Hello guys, welcome along today to our video. In today's video we're going to be installing the lighted engine ascent onto this 2024 Goldwing. So come on, let's go. Right, okay, let's just start with the unboxing, see what we have in the box. So you have your two wiring harnesses and your two ascent plates. They're chrome on top with an amber light underneath. They're also available in blue, which we will have in stock at the end of this week or next week, all goes well. So they're the contents. They're easy enough to install, so let's get to work. Okay, for the installation of the ascents, the first thing we'll do is open these two bowls. Gives us a bit more extra room to play with. Then with the size A spanner, remove the two corner nuts. And just connect the wire up onto the first ball before you put it on, make it easier to connect. You're not there trying to pull the wire out afterwards to connect this up. Just reinstall the bolts. Just don't over tighten them. And it'd be no harm after a couple of miles when you're driving it to just recheck them to make sure they don't come loose. Right, now we'll wire them up. Okay, we'll start now with the wiring, and we're going to be wiring this onto the master cylinder switch block that we installed the other day. That will enable us to be able to switch them on and off as we want. We won't bother installing them into this distribution block because it means that they'll be on all the time. That could cause you problems somewhere. Now, these wires, they come blank wires, so we're going to make up a connection for them. Now, I use these ones because they're easy, plus they're waterproof. And they're messy, fidgety as I would say. They're easy enough to do once you have a bit of patience. If you don't have patience, don't bother trying. Just check now with your connector, see which way is positive and neutral. Positive and north, sorry. Now how it goes, well, we plug it in and this should work. Continue now. So after you've the connections done, plug them in, turn on your bike. I hope you enjoyed that video on the installation of that ascent and it's been of some use to you. Now, just to show you what our next video is going to be about is the saddlebag lights for the rear of the bike. So we'll just have a quick look at them. These ones now are black. They're also available in chrome. And you'll be able to see these on our next video in the next few days. You've got your two ascents, connectors and instructions. Just give you a look at the lights. So these are them which will go very well on the black bike. So I hope you're going to join us for our next video. So don't forget to subscribe down below and ring the bell, and check out any of our products at www.shinywing.com. And it's goodbye from Paul.
With